Alright YouTube, what is going on everybody? So I just got a box in the mail. I'm about to go ahead and show you guys what's inside this said box. But I know on the Ralliart we've been kind of focused on a lot of performance car parts to make the Ralliart go faster. However, there are new taillights out there that I just had to go ahead and pick up. Haven't seen anybody do a video on it yet. These are the HC Motion taillights. So I bought these off of eBay. Hopefully everything works correctly. And yeah, these should be pretty badass taillights. So I'll be swapping out the Audi taillights. They ran great and everything. I just like the look of these personally, and it's something new on the car. So other than that, let's go ahead and crack this box open and see what comes in this little kit. Alright, so since you guys just saw what was in that box, I'm pretty stoked about this. So when I did originally order this off of eBay, it said it was going to take about 2 to 3 months to go ahead and build and send out. And it only took about a month, so it exceeded the timeline of it getting sent out here. Pretty happy. It came from China. And like I said, I got to go ahead and throw it on the car, make sure everything works. But I am super stoked about it. The cool thing is it comes with a set of instructions. I haven't looked through it myself yet. And the packaging, as you guys saw, was pretty top notch. Nothing seems to be broken, and it looks like I have all the parts. So I was kind of skeptical about the eBay thing, but so far, so good. If you guys haven't, make sure you like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you guys think about these taillights. Do you have a pair yourself, or is this something you're looking into? And yeah, I'll be doing an install video of this when I find some time. Been pretty busy lately. And also go ahead and check the description box as always. I'll leave a little link where I bought this, and you guys can pick up a pair too as well. It looks like something you're interested in. So again, this is the HC Motion taillights. Yeah, pretty stoked. And yeah, can't wait to get this on the car. So other than that, I just want to say thanks for watching. Never leave your life on auto, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Man, these things are gonna be badass once they're on the car. And as you guys can tell, they do have a smoked lens to them, so really nice. It's gonna go very well with the gray on my car.